Hey guys, it's Patrick Kelly with Learn to Love Tech, and I'm doing a quick video just to let you know that the other day I had lost the pen for my Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, and I had to improvise and find a way to use the S4 without a pen. So I also had a Galaxy Note 9 with me, and once I took it out, I didn't know this would work, but I checked it out, and lo and behold, the Note 9 pen can also be used on the Tab S4. So if you happen to have a Note 9 pen and you lost your Tab S4 pen, then use your Note 9 pen until you go to a store like Amazon and pick up another S Pen for your Samsung Tab 4. Take care, guys.